Building a steady online income today isn't about working harder. It's about using the right system. The Millionaire Partner System is designed to help you do exactly that. Here's how you can use it to build a sustainable income in today's digital economy. First, it's built for all skill levels. Whether you're brand new or already running a small business, the system's step-by-step tools make it easy to set up your website, landing pages, and sales funnels without needing tech skills. This gives you a strong foundation to attract and convert customers. Next, you save time with automation. The Millionaire Partner System handles repetitive tasks like email marketing, content delivery, and follow-ups automatically. This keeps your business running 24/7 so you can focus on strategy and growth instead of busy work. Another key piece is creating passive income. By following the system's proven strategies, you can build income streams that keep earning even when you're not actively working. This is what makes long-term financial freedom possible. You're also supported every step of the way. The program includes easy-to-follow training and ongoing support, so you're never stuck wondering what to do next. And because it's backed by a money-back guarantee, you can try it out with confidence. By combining beginner-friendly tools, powerful automation, and proven methods for passive income, the Millionaire Partner System helps you build a reliable and scalable online business, the kind that thrives in today's fast-changing digital economy. If you're ready to start building your own sustainable income, click my link below and sign up today to get started.